Hey guys, what is up? Cece back with another video, and for today's video, we're gonna do an Ulta haul. Hey guys, do me a favor, stop what you're doing and click that subscribe button. I'm really trying to get to 10,000 followers on Instagram. I need you to head over and give me a follow. Thanks in advance. Now on to the video. So I haven't done a haul in so long. Okay, I'm lying. I just did one not too long ago. If you haven't seen that, I'll go ahead and link it. However, right after I filmed that haul, of course, I got a box full of goodies from Ulta. I've not done a dedicated haul in a while with just one store in it, so kind of excited to do that. Ulta has some cute little goodies that I wanted to try out, and so I did. So here we go. I'm just gonna pull things out. We're gonna start with this guy right here. This is from Too Faced, and it is their Ultra Slim Brow Pencil. So you guys know I've been on the hunt for all of the ultra slim brow pencils that the world has to offer, okay? I just got the new one from the brand Refi, that new brand at Sephora. I love the Huda Beauty. You guys know I love that one. Patrick Starr has a really skinny one, the One Size brand. So this one is Too Faced, and we have a spoolie on one end, and then, we just dropped the top, but it's okay. Oh, she's slim, but not as slim as the Refi one, or not as slim as Huda Beauty. So, but it is very slim. I love me a slim pencil. I feel like you get the best hair-like strokes from pencils like that. And so I'm always looking for the skinniest one I could find. So I will be interested to see if I love this, if it can take the top spot away from Huda. And yeah, we're gonna have to try this out together. All right, let's move on. I got a few things from Makeup Revolution. I don't even know what made me grab this, but I wanted to try it out. So I got this is the Brow Lamination Kit. Y'all, I'll be so scared to try stuff out like this because I'm like, what if my brows look crazy? When I do this, I can't be going out looking crazy now. So this comes with it's a 4-step brow lamination kit. So you're supposed to be able to laminate your brows at home with 4 easy steps. So it comes with the brow glue, the brow lift, the brow fix, and the brow spray. And then you get the tools to actually do what it is that you need to do with your brows. So all the instructions, they come in this little handy kit. I think this was like 20 bucks. So I've been thinking for a while, like about, what is it? Micro needling, micro threading, microblading. That's what it is. I've been thinking a while about that and doing that to my brows, but the upkeep of everything is just so much. You guys, I just went actually today and got lash extensions. I like them. I wish I would have gotten them a little more full, but I do really like them. But the upkeep is like all I can think about. Like I gotta go back in 2 weeks, 3 weeks to get it refilled, and that is just a lot. So I don't know. We'll see how long I keep them, but I've been thinking the same thing about microblading, but I'm like, if I can just do my own brows at home, I don't have to spend the money. Microblading is like 300 bucks, by the way, so very expensive. So, I mean, I don't know. We'll see. But I also grabbed the Aftercare Kit as well. This is the Brow 2-Step Lamination Aftercare Kit. And this comes with a spray, and then it also comes with a lamination paste. So it's supposed to help keep your brow lamination for longer. So I picked up both of those. That'll definitely be something that I do on camera so you guys can see if it works or not. I don't know if it's gonna work, but it is what it is. I also picked up a powder from Laura Mercier. She came out with a new powder. This is the Translucent Loose Setting Powder Light Catcher. And I got mine in the shade Cosmic Rose. Now, when I was looking at it online, I thought that this was just like a light reflecting setting powder for under your eyes. So that's what I thought it was. But then when I got it and it came in the mail, come to find out, this is like a highlighter. And I probably will not keep this, to be honest. So as I open it, I'm gonna show you guys. This is like, I'm thinking about if I want to keep it or not, but this is like, look at this. I can't put that underneath the eyes. You see that? I can't put that underneath the eyes. I would only be able to use this as a highlighter, like on the high points of my face. And I don't need another loose highlighter, especially not something this big that cost me almost $40. So I'm still sleeping on it, but I'm pretty positive this is gonna go back to the store. I'm going to tell you guys what it says it's supposed to do. So it says you can use it. Okay, so it says the iconic translucent loose setting powder in a customizable light creating finish sets makeup for 12 hours with a multi-dimensional effect that perfects, blurs, and smooths by creating light through a combination of skin tone, contrasting, and correcting pearls. So how do you set your entire face with something this, I mean, this is like glittery. Seriously, I don't know how you're supposed to set your entire face with this. I would never set my entire face with something this glittery. Whether I was oily, dry, whatever, because I feel like I would just look like a crystal ball, and that ain't cute. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's gonna go back. I read that description online and I thought it was going to be an actual setting powder for the face, but I was wrong apparently. I also picked up some more body care stuff. Not that I needed any, but I was watching an Andrea Renee video and she was talking about this Kapari Pink Souffle body mask, and I got very, very, very curious. So I went ahead and picked this guy up. It's a huge jar, and basically you are supposed to put on your body. You can use it as a targeted treatment on your booty, your belly, back, boobs, or wherever you need it most. Apply to clean, dry skin, leave on for 10 minutes, rinse, and you're supposed to have a glow. So I kind of want to take this with me on my vacation and use it like before I get, like put on my bikini and use it before I get in the pool, you know what I'm saying? And so my booty will be looking all good. Yeah, that's kind of what I want to do. It's such a huge jar to take with me. So I don't know, we'll see, but that's what I was thinking. Along with that, I picked up some more of this unicorn. This is the CBD whipped body butter, the Soothe and Glow. So I was using this unicorn butter. I've been using it for a while. I used up my entire jar that I had, and so I wanted to pick up another one. I actually have a discount code for the actual Truly website. If you guys want that, I will leave that linked down below so you guys can check them out. Save yourself a little money if you like their products, but they have amazing body care products. They also sell something like this mask as well for like your boobs and your butt and stuff like that. So if you guys want to check Truly out, I do have a discount code for you. But I just picked this up from ULTA because I had some points. So I just ended up grabbing this. It is, like I said, a whipped body butter, and it's one of the most moisturizing body butters that I've ever used. It smells good, it feels good on the body, you guys. I love it so much, so I would definitely check that out. I got 2 skincare products, both from the brand Different Gel. I've never tried anything from Different Gel, but y'all know I'm always down for trying new stuff. So I grabbed the Different Moisturizer. This is the oil absorbing moisturizer with sunscreen. I think this is going to be great for the remainder of the summer just because y'all know I'm oily and my skin gets very oily. So I'm always looking for a great moisturizer to go underneath my makeup to just look good all day. Something that's going to absorb the oils and work in tandem with my mattifying primer and my mattifying foundation. So that is why I picked that up. And then I also grabbed the Pore Minimizing Toner with Witch Hazel. And this is also supposed to help reduce any of your excess oils. So I'm excited. I do have some more toners to use that are ahead of this one. I don't know, I might push it closer to the front, but I do have a few more toners to use up before I get to this one. But I'm excited to try this out, and I do want to try it in tune with the moisturizer. Okay, so this was a quick one for y'all. I just got a few more products. This is the Essence Prime and Studio Poreless Plus Blurring Putty primer. Did I need another face primer? Absolutely not. However, I don't know. They get me when they say blurring and poreless because my pores be pretty big all up and through. So it's nice to see affordable brands coming out with targeted primers. I love to see when affordable brands come out with targeted products for different skin concerns. And so Essence is very, very affordable, very, very inexpensive at Ulta. I love a lot of their products, so I'm excited to try that underneath my makeup. And then I also picked up from Essence the Strong Soapy Brow Styler. So I don't do the soap brow trend often at all, but this was only a few dollars, so I thought I would try it. There is, oh yeah, actual soap, the soap in here, and then it comes with the little spoolie. So the nice thing about this is that you can actually take it with you. This is great for travel. You know what I'm saying? You can just take these together, go wherever you need to go. So if you are a big soap brow trend person, then that would be very easy to throw in a travel bag and take with you. Last but not least, I picked up the new NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Mattifying Powder. I used to stand for the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I think I had the loose powder as well, but now they've come out with a mattifying powder in pressed form, and definitely want to give that a try. That is such an amazing drugstore pick for foundation. If you guys have not tried it yet, I would definitely try it and get your hands on it. There are so many shades to choose from, so you should be able to find a matching shade for you. It goes from very pale to very deep and everything in between. And now that they've come out with pressed powders as well, oh y'all, I can't buy no more foundations, but I love that foundation, and I'm just letting you know if you were looking to try another drugstore option. So this was a quick one, y'all. That was everything that I picked up from Ulta. There probably won't be another haul for a while, so don't be looking for one. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Also, don't forget to leave me a comment down below letting me know which videos you would like me to record next, because I want to record what you guys want to see. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, you guys.